In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a closed matter in Clio Manage. If you need to make a matter active again so you can continue working on it, the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for along the way. Start by logging into your Clio Manage account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Matters. This will take you to your full Matters list, where you can search for the record you want to update. If you don't immediately see the matter you need, open the Filters menu. Since the matter has already been closed, it may not appear in your default active list. In the filters, set the status option to Closed or Archived if necessary. This helps narrow the list so you can find the correct matter more easily. After that, select the closed matter you want to reopen. Take a second to confirm that you've opened the right one, especially if you manage a large number of matters with similar names or details. Once you're inside the matter, go to the upper right corner and click Edit Matter. This opens the matter settings, where you can make changes to its current status and review other key information. Next, locate the status field. This is the setting that controls whether the matter is active or no longer in use. Change the status from closed to open. That single update is what reactivates the matter in Clio Manage. Before saving, you can also review any other matter details if needed. This is a good time to quickly check that everything is still accurate, especially if the matter has been closed for a while and now needs to be worked on again. You don't have to make any additional changes unless something needs updating. When you're ready, click Save to apply your changes. Once the update is saved, the matter will be reopened and will now appear in your list of open matters. That's all it takes to reopen a closed matter in Clio Manage. If you followed along, your matter should now be active and ready for continued work. Thanks for watching.